suffix completion. If you're interested, I'm going to do a complete video just to cover post suffix completion, because it's a really powerful way of coding. So basically, let me show you a few examples to kind of give you a taste of it. So let's say I have here a method foo, takes a boolean, b, whatever. So now let's say I want to test this boolean, right? So traditional way of doing is you do if, right? And now I have to put the b there, right? I mean, this is really too much typing for me. So what if instead I told that you could just click on the type the parameter and do dot and just type if, and look what happens, right? It encapsulates the boolean, which is the condition of the if, right? And obviously this is not just limited to so you're not limited just on conditional statements. You can use loops as well, right? For example, b while, look at that. I mean, this is so powerful. There's so many different options, right? Look at that, another one where you can just do a system out with an expression, right? Isn't that neat? So another very useful one that I use often is to test for nullity. For example, O, and I can say if the object is not null, and n, boom, look at that. Or you can just be more explicit and type not null, boom, look at that. Now the cool one is, let's say I have here an array, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, an int array, right? I can grab the value, and if I want to iterate it, I just do 4. Look at that, boom. I mean, obviously you can do equivalent way to do the same thing is just do v.iter. So this is a really powerful way of coding, and I strongly recommend you to be familiar